Scottish dagger.
A dirk.
No, it's not. It's something. It's an SK. SKE.
How many letters?
5.
Yes, it's all going in the dryer. You're doing very well.
Is he putting them in the dryer?
Yes, oh, he's a good boy.
It's a bit wet. Nanny filled him.
Let Nammy feel them. Here, he's going to bring it out for you to feel.
No, they're very wet.
No, a bit wet.
It's wet.
It has to go in the dryer, yes please.
Oh, but you went in the pasta.
Well, that can't be right, Jim, because it's definitely an SKE. Something. Something.
Aha.
Is that wet?
It is a bit wet. Yes, should go in. All goes in.
That's a bit wet too.
Yes. No, I've got to get it all. Do you want me to help you with it? Okay, just a minute.